Welcome back, DIY enthusiasts and woodworkers. Today, we've got something truly exciting in store for you. Get ready to dive into the world of woodworking machinery as we present the top 10 amazing woodworking machines that will take your craftsmanship to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these powerful tools are sure to leave you in awe. So, grab your safety goggles and let's begin. The Hoffman Mobile 2500 edgebanding press is a highly efficient and precise machine designed to attach solid wood edges to panels made of common sheet goods such as MDF, particle board, and plywood. It is an ideal choice for woodworking companies involved in the manufacturing of hospitality, commercial, and residential furniture items such as tabletops, shelves, cabinets, architectural millwork, library and bank interiors, commercial and store displays, restaurant booths, and tables, among other applications. One of the key advantages of the Mobile 2500 is its ability to quickly and accurately apply mitered corner edges. This is made possible through the use of an adjustable miter stop, which aligns the inside corner of the mitered edge band precisely with the edge of the panel, resulting in tight-fitting and seamless miter joints on every panel. Compared to traditional manual gluing operations using bar clamps, the mobile edge banding press utilizes heat and pressure, allowing it to attach a solid wood edge, even up to 1 inch thick, in a matter of minutes. In contrast, the same glue-up at room temperature would take at least 45 minutes, showcasing the machine's significant time-saving capability. Additionally, the mobile press stands out in its versatility. It can handle edge profiles ranging from thin veneer thickness to as thick as 2 inches and as wide as 4 inches. This wide range of application allows woodworking companies to use various edge materials, catering to their specific design and structural requirements. Another remarkable feature of the mobile press is its ability to accurately apply mitered edges up to 2 inches wide, ensuring perfect miter joints. This capability is particularly beneficial for creating sophisticated and visually appealing furniture pieces with precisely aligned edges. Unlike expensive and complex high-frequency glue clamping systems, the mobile press does not rely on HF energy and does not require special adhesives, catalysts, or other chemicals. Instead, it accomplishes its operations using regular PVA white or yellow glue, which is commonly used in woodworking shops. This simplifies the process, making it safe and cost-effective for businesses. Overall, the Hoffman Mobile 2500 edgebanding press is a reliable and versatile tool that significantly enhances the woodworking process, providing exceptional precision and speed for attaching solid wood edges to panels, including the ability to create impressive mitered corner edges with ease. The Martin T70 sliding table saw is a sturdy woodworking machine with a user-friendly 10.4-inch touchscreen controller. It offers precise 2-axis and patent-pending 3-axis scoring saw systems, easily adjusted through the controller. The machine stores up to 100 saw blades, allowing rapid tool changes. The touchscreen's intuitive interface and calculator enhance accuracy. With quick clamping for the scoring unit, saw blades up to 550 mm in diameter are accommodated. The controller's home page creates rapid access icons, improving workflow. The T70 ensures efficient and accurate woodworking, making it a top choice for professionals seeking excellence in their craft. The King Canada KC13 HPC is a 13-inch planer with a helical cutter head, designed to provide exceptional woodworking performance. Its powerful 15-amp motor is equipped with thermal overload protection for added safety during extended use. The helical cutter head sets this planer apart, ensuring a superior finish on your workpieces, leaving them smooth and pristine. To guarantee stability and precision, the cutter head operates on 4 precision ground columns, raising and lowering effortlessly. The planer features a user-friendly thickness indicator and depth of cut indicator with a graduated scale in both inches and millimeters, making accurate planning a breeze. For added convenience and efficiency, the KC13 HPC includes preset depth stops at various intervals, allowing for repeat cuts at 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1 to 1/4 inch, 1.5 inch, and 1 to 3/4 inch. The planer also offers a unique 2-position dust chute, one closed position with 4-inch and 2.5-inch adapter outlets for effective dust collection, and an open position for unrestricted chip ejection. Further enhancing its user-friendly design, the planer comes with a convenient side-mounted tool storage box and essential adjustment keys for the cutter insert and other adjustments. With its impressive features and thoughtful design, the King Canada KC13 HPC is a reliable and efficient tool, making it an excellent choice for all your planing needs and woodworking projects. The Martin T54 Jointer is a versatile woodworking machine designed for 2 main tasks: first achieving flawless workpiece surfaces and second quickly and safely providing angular edges. Perfect preparation leads to perfect results. The guided surfacing fence with an integrated auxiliary fence ensures smooth and precise work, while the ball-bearing guided jointing fence remains stable and accurate on tempered raceways for many years of reliable performance. The T54 allows for easy planing of chamfers, with user-friendly one-hand operation allowing quick angle adjustments between 90 degrees and 45 degrees. This jointer is a dependable tool that delivers excellent craftsmanship for woodworking projects of all kinds. The Keen Canada MA1075 ST is a versatile hollow chisel mortiser with a tilting head, equipped with a powerful 1 HP motor that supports dual voltage, 110 volt and 220 volt, for added flexibility. The mortiser can handle chisel and bit sizes ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, accommodating various woodworking needs. Its 19-inch by 12.5 inch large longitudinal and transversal sliding table minimizes the need for repositioning and reclamping of the workpiece, ensuring efficient and precise cuts. The mortiser features a gas head cylinder that enables smooth and controlled cutting operations, enhancing overall performance. The rack and pinion gears allow the entire head to move, providing maximum leverage and positive feed control, making the mortising process smoother and more manageable. Additionally, the depth and height stops are adjustable, allowing for customized and accurate mortise cuts. For added versatility, the MA1075 ST includes chisel adapter bushings that accept 5/8 inch and 3/4 inch diameter chisel shanks, expanding the range of compatible chisels. The mortiser also boasts a multi-position feed handle, providing ergonomic handling and user-friendly operation. It comes complete with a mortising chisel and bit set, a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch chisel adapter bushings, a 1/2 inch chuck, and a key, offering everything needed to get started on various mortising tasks. With its powerful motor and convenient features, the Keen Canada MA1075 ST is an excellent choice for professional woodworkers and hobbyists alike. The Martin T45 planer is a high-quality thicknessing planer designed to deliver quick and precise planing results with minimal noise. Its efficient and silent operation makes it an excellent addition to any workshop. The T45 ensures clean and smooth plane surfaces, making it ideal for modern production needs. Its user-friendly design allows for easy operation, and it offers excellent value for money, making it a practical and cost-effective choice for woodworking professionals. With the Martin T45 planer, you can achieve outstanding planing results and enhance the efficiency of your woodworking projects. The Pillar Model H49 horizontal bore-in dowel is a highly efficient CNC machining center used in cabinet and furniture manufacturing for case construction. With the H49, you can achieve quick and precise assembly, saving production time compared to CNC routers and point-to-point machines, as it shifts horizontal boring to this dedicated unit. This innovative machine is designed to CNC position the spindle, bore a hole, then CNC position the inserter to inject glue or water and insert a dowel into the hole. The standard H49 model features 2 working zones, allowing pendulum processing. While one part is being machined, the other zone can be loaded and queued for the next operation, resulting in seamless workflow. The H49 boasts an impressive 49-inch working table with 2 work zones, making it capable of handling various sizes of workpieces. The machine features a 3-inch dust port with 350 CFM capacity for efficient dust collection. Standard features of the H49 include a CNC-controlled X-axis, digital readout for the Z-axis, a powerful 1 HP 18,000 RPM direct drive spindle, a 15-inch color touchscreen for user-friendly operation, an 8mm dowel inserter, and a seal glue system for accurate and reliable dowel insertion. Moreover, the H49 offers several optional features to cater to specific needs, such as a 96-inch work area for larger projects, a barcode reader for streamlined operations, dowel length options from 30mm to 35mm, a 6mm dowel inserter, and the ability to accommodate larger capacity dowel bows. In conclusion, the Pillar Model H49 horizontal bore-in dowel is a cutting-edge CNC machining center that streamlines case construction in cabinet and furniture manufacturing. Its exceptional features and customizable options make it a versatile and valuable asset for optimizing production and achieving top-notch results. The JLT CDFC M10 pneumatic cabinet door and frame clamp is a powerful and versatile two-way clamping system designed to efficiently clamp and square cabinet doors and frames. With a capacity of 48-inch in height and 94-inch in width, it accommodates large-sized doors and frames. The vertical power setup ensures secure clamping during assembly. Operating on 120 volts with a single-phase power supply, it's easy to integrate into workshop setups. This pneumatic clamp streamlines cabinet production, saving time and ensuring precise and consistent results. The CDFC M10 is a valuable asset for cabinet manufacturers, enhancing productivity and delivering superior products. The Ganamat ProTech is a highly efficient CNC controlled precision machining center designed for compact and versatile processing of drilling, grooving, and routing jobs. It is perfectly suited for both just-in-time manufacturing and large batch production, offering unparalleled flexibility and universal application. This industrial-grade machine excels in processing various components, including case goods, drawers, countertops, frame parts, solid wood components, and more. Its high-performance working unit ensures stability and sturdiness, providing ample machining power for demanding tasks. Integrated exhaust devices further enhance the machine's efficiency by ensuring optimal extraction results. The ProTech employs an automatic workpiece gripper to transport workpieces step by step through the working area. It can be programmed in through feed mode for unloading at the backside or in return feed mode for unloading at the front side, providing versatile usage options. Additionally, it supports mirror image use from the machine backside. With a small footprint requirement of less than 3.3 square meters, the ProTech offers a space-efficient solution without compromising on performance. It accommodates workpieces of large dimensions, 1000 by 5600 by 60 millimeters, and small dimensions, 60 by 250 by 6 millimeters, with ease. The machine ensures gentle workpiece handling through air jets, maintaining precision with double laser measurement and workpiece straightening. For fast and accurate drilling operations, the ProTech features 21/23 drilling spindles with 0 setting times. A stable grooving unit capable of handling up to 8.3 mm saw blade width is also included. Additionally, there is an option to equip the machine with a powerful 5.5 kilowatts routing unit with an automatic tool changer for enhanced routing capabilities. The Ganamat ProTech is a state-of-the-art CNC machining center that delivers exceptional performance, high precision, and a wide range of application possibilities. Whether for small custom projects or large-scale production, this machine ensures efficient and precise machining for the woodworking industry. The Pillar Model FJ finger joint miter machine is a highly efficient dual-spindle PLC machining center used for producing high-quality finger joint miter parts in cabinet door manufacturing. The machine features two 5 HP motors for cutting the miter and two 1 HP spindles for drilling dowel holes, ensuring precision and accuracy in the production process. One notable feature of the FJ is the hogging tool, which removes the majority of material before the finger joint is cut, resulting in cost savings on finger joint tools. The machine is driven and controlled by a Gallo PLC, eliminating the need for potentially complicated computer operations. Instead, it is controlled by PLC, pneumatics, and relays, streamlining the manufacturing process. With two independent carriages, the FJ can simultaneously cut two parts at once, making it exceptionally fast and productive. It has the capacity to produce between 250 to 350 doors per 8-hour shift with just one operator, maximizing efficiency and output. Standard features of the FJ include two PLC-driven carriages, two work zones, dual 5 HP direct drive motors, dual 1 HP dowel hole drill spindles, top and side clamps, and a material width range of 1.5 inch to 3.5 inch and thickness range of 5/8 inch to 1 inch. The machine is equipped with two 4-inch dust ports, offering excellent dust extraction with 700 CFM capacity. Furthermore, the FJ provides optional diamond tooling for specialized cutting requirements, enhancing its versatility and performance. The Pillar Model FJ finger joint miter machine is an exceptional choice for cabinet door manufacturers seeking a reliable and high-speed solution for producing precise and top-quality finger joint miter parts. Its advanced features and dual spindle design ensure efficiency and cost-effectiveness in the production process.